Did you ever stop to think about the people behind the technology that's reshaping our financial future? The platforms that allow us to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Who are the visionaries, the builders, the risk-takers who brought these ecosystems into existence? Today, we're diving deep into one such platform, Newton Crypto. But instead of just telling you who founded it right off the bat, let's take a bit of a journey to understand the context, the environment, and the need that likely spurred its creation. Think back to the early days of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, the pioneer, emerged in 2009, a digital currency operating outside the control of traditional financial institutions. It was revolutionary, a bold new idea that captured the imagination of a small but growing community. But as the potential of cryptocurrencies became clearer, so did the challenges. How do everyday people access these digital assets? How do they navigate the complexities of wallets, exchanges, and private keys? This is where the role of cryptocurrency exchanges becomes crucial. They act as bridges, connecting the traditional financial world with the burgeoning digital asset space. They provide a platform for users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, making them more accessible to a wider audience. Now, consider Canada. A country known for its strong financial regulations and its growing interest in technological innovation. As the global cryptocurrency market expanded, so did the demand within Canada for a reliable and user-friendly platform to participate. Canadians needed an on-ramp and off-ramp for digital assets, a place where they could confidently engage with this new asset class within a familiar regulatory framework. This growing need for accessible and compliant cryptocurrency trading platforms likely fueled the emergence of companies like Newton Crypto. It wasn't born in a vacuum. It was a response to a clear market demand within Canada for a streamlined and trustworthy way to interact with cryptocurrencies. So, who was the individual or team that recognized this opportunity and took the leap to build Newton Crypto? Who are the people who envisioned a platform tailored to the Canadian market, focusing on ease of use and regulatory compliance? The answer, the founder of Newton Crypto, is Dustin Walper. Dustin Walper is a prominent figure in the Canadian fintech and cryptocurrency space. His background and experience provided the perfect foundation for building a platform like Newton. He recognized the gap in the Canadian market and possessed the vision and drive to create a solution. But the story doesn't end with just naming the founder. To truly understand the genesis of Newton Crypto, we need to delve a little deeper into Dustin Walper's journey and the early days of the company. What were his motivations? What challenges did he face in the initial stages? While specific details about the very earliest days might be less publicly documented, we can infer some likely motivations and challenges based on the broader cryptocurrency landscape at the time and the characteristics of successful startups. Motivation likely stemmed from a belief in the transformative potential of cryptocurrencies and a desire to make them accessible to Canadians in a secure and compliant manner. There was a clear opportunity to build a platform that prioritized user experience and adhered to the evolving regulatory landscape in Canada. The challenges in the early days would have been numerous. Building a robust and secure trading platform requires significant technical expertise and infrastructure. Navigating the complex and often evolving regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies in Canada would have been another major hurdle. Securing funding, building a strong team, and gaining the trust of early users are also common challenges for any startup, especially in a nascent and sometimes volatile industry like cryptocurrency. It's also important to acknowledge that while Dustin Walper is the founder, the success of Newton Crypto is undoubtedly the result of the hard work and dedication of a talented team he assembled. Building a cryptocurrency exchange is not a solitary endeavor. It requires expertise in engineering, security, compliance, customer support, and many other areas. Over time, Newton Crypto has grown and evolved, establishing itself as a significant player in the Canadian cryptocurrency market. It is focused on providing a user-friendly interface, supporting a range of popular cryptocurrencies, and emphasizing regulatory compliance. This focus has likely been instrumental in its growth and adoption by Canadian users. The platform's commitment to security and compliance has been a key differentiator in a space where trust and regulation are paramount. By proactively engaging with regulators and implementing robust security measures, Newton has aimed to provide a safe and reliable environment for Canadians to participate in the cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, Newton's focus on user experience has likely contributed significantly to its popularity. Making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate the platform, deposit and withdraw funds, and execute trades is crucial for wider adoption. The story of Newton Crypto is a testament to the vision and perseverance of its founder, Dustin Walper, and the team he built. They recognized a need in the Canadian market and worked diligently to create a platform that addressed it. Their journey highlights the importance of understanding the market, navigating regulatory complexities, and prioritizing user experience in the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency. While we've focused on the founder, it's worth remembering that the cryptocurrency landscape is constantly changing. New technologies emerge, regulations evolve, and competition intensifies. For platforms like Newton Crypto to remain successful, continued innovation, adaptation, and a strong focus on user needs and regulatory compliance are essential. The foundation laid by Dustin Walper has provided a strong base for Newton Crypto's growth. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to mature, the platform will undoubtedly face new challenges and opportunities. Its ability to navigate these and continue to provide value to Canadian users will determine its long-term success. So, the next time you use a platform like Newton Crypto to engage with the world of digital assets, take a moment to appreciate the vision and hard work of the individuals who brought it to life. In the case of Newton Crypto, that vision started with Dustin Walper, who saw a need and took the initiative to build a solution for the Canadian market. His entrepreneurial spirit and understanding of the cryptocurrency landscape were instrumental in the creation of a platform that has become a significant part of the Canadian digital asset ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.